What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now in this video we'll be working with the tax option. So it is asking that will you be entering the price inclusive of tax. If I select it, I don't have to manage everything right here. Okay, the tax will be automatically inclusive. Okay, no, I will enter prices exclusive of tax. If I just select it, then the tax will have to be added in my cart. Okay, so then we have calculate tax based on customer shipping address, customer billing address, or shop base address. So if you just care about the shop that whatever product we sell to, we have to sell the 16% GST if I am in Pakistan, and if I am in US, I have to send 15%. If I am in London, I have to send 20% or something like that. So you can work on the customer shipping address for the tax as well, but I will be moving on with the shop base address. Okay, so shop base address will be this the cast calculate tax based on, and then in the standard rates we have to define that if someone it's in Pakistan, and then we will be charging him 15% or something like that. And then we have shipping tax class. So this is shipping tax class based on cart items. So then we have standard, reduced, a 0. So you can select only one and then you have to stick on it. Okay, so I'm just going to be selecting the standard because the shipping tax class is going to be like this. So you can shipping tax class based on card item. So you can define it later on in the product that this tax will be applied to this class. So you can basically create 3 classes. Okay, and for mobile you can go with this reduce rate trades, or for something like that, if you're sending to government or something like that, then you can go with 0 rate trades and something like that. Okay, so but I will be moving up with the standard right here. Okay, because I will be moving up with the standard rates, and this will be applied to all of the customers. Every tax is the same. Okay, and then we have we can select it to be like customer shipping address. Okay, and then we have the round tax at subtotal level instead of rounding per line. What is this? That when it will generate an invoice in the card section. Okay, so let's just go to our store right here, and then let's add a product, okay, to the card. Okay, and on product you can see Ajax is right here. I click view card, and then you can see that it will round per line the text here. So instead of this, I want to round and this checkout, the subtotal, just something like that. So you can just select this, and this will be around at the subtotal level. Okay, then we have the additional tax classes. You can add your tax classes right here, and they will be added right here. Okay, so I will be just removing them because I don't want them. I just want these standard rates, and this will be applied to everything. Okay, and then we have display price in the shop. So this will be including tax, excluding tax. I'm just gonna hit excluding tax, so it's so that I get more sales. And then we have display prices during card and checkout. So you have to hit including tax, because during card and checkout you have to show the tax, but you can also select in excluding tax, and it will be only available right here, the tax options. Okay, and then we have price display suffix. So you can add like what is this, like here you can add INCVAT. This means that inclusive of tax. So you can add a suffix right here. Okay, but I will leave it as default. Okay, and then we have the display tax total. So it is going to be itemized, not as a single total. Okay, so let's just come here and let's hit save right here, and you can see these two will be deleted because we have removed them from here. And now let's go to the standard rates, and let's add some tax rates right here. Okay, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna hit insert row, and then I'm gonna add the country code. So this is going to be PK for my country, and then we have the state code. I have to leave this asterisk so that it will be applied to all of the countries, and then I have to also leave this asterisk so that it will be applied to all the post codes. I have to leave it as it is so that it is applied to every city. And then I have this right here. So this is going to be percentage of rate. So I'm going to add 16%, and the tax name is GST, government sales tax, and this is going to be priority, and I'm going to hit shipping. So it's going to be applied to shipping, and then I'm going to hit save changes right here. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit refresh right now. And you can see the GST is now added. So instead of GST, you can add it like VAT, and the VAT name is going to be added. So same like this. This is exactly same. And when I come here and I just refresh it, you're gonna see this right here. Okay, so you can add one more, and this here would be the country code, a 2-digit country code, example US, leave blank to apply to all. So for US, I'm gonna charge them, sorry, for UK, I'll just go with the US. For US, I'm gonna charge them to 200% sales tax. Okay, I'm just kidding. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit refresh right now. You can see that I'm not in the US. That is why this is coming right here. If I am in the US, or if I use any sort of VPN to go to the US, so it lets me just come here and let me select to the US right now, okay? Let me come here, let me select US. You can see US is selected, and then I come here and then I refresh this. You're gonna see that it will grab the location of my shipping address, and then it will tell me that I'm in the US, and then it will charge me 200% tax. Okay, let me come here. Let me select US from here, because it is not just give the it has first got the IP address, and then it is right here in the cache. So I have to just search for United States. Okay, and then I come here, I just hit this, and you can see, and then on clicking update totals, you're gonna see it is gonna change to 200%. So here you go. So this is how it's gonna work. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna switch it off. Let's come here, and here you can see that you can also add a default category. Like if someone is not in Pakistan, if someone is not in US, then this will be applied. So if someone is not in anywhere of them, then we will charge them 0% of tax. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's hit save. Okay, and then let's come here, and if someone is in, like, let's suppose if someone is UAE, and then I hit update totals, you're gonna see no tax will be here. Okay, so this is how it is working. This is how this tax works. So you have to enter the country code, and then you have to enter the rate, that how you want the rate to be, and then it will be added. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this, and now you can see that we're done with the tax tab as well. In the next video, we will be working up with the shipping tab. So stay tuned, and bye.